Live look over in the Myrtle Beach area. You can see the boardwalk there, the ocean, the sand, a lot of sunshine. This live look here in the boardwalk does not show you the smoky skies in the Carolina Forest area, talking about those wildfires, but it's not too far away, which is why we're continuing to take closer looks, checking in with reporters who are covering those wildfires, talking about an air quality alert that's in effect for Myrtle Beach and the rest of Horry County because of what's happening there. Crews are also busy responding to hundreds of fires in both North and also South Carolina. All of this happening over the weekend. Dave Malikoff is in Myrtle Beach with the very latest.
This is absolutely insane.
Drivers faced a wall of wildfire smoke on a highway near Myrtle Beach Monday. Local fire officials expect the haze to stick around for another few days as they work to contain the fires.
We advise everyone to stay inside and stay out of the smoke. And if you see flames, call 911.
Volunteer firefighter Desmond Bowen says he's amazed to be part of such a huge emergency response.
I hadn't seen this many fire trucks and firefighters and only on TV.
South Carolina's biggest wildfire in more than 15 years forced evacuations over the weekend. The governor declared a state of emergency and issued an outdoor burning ban. And this is part of the problem right here. Listen to this. I'm going to put it right up to my microphone. That is crispy, crispy fuel for this fire. Fires need the fuel, they need low humidity, they need high heat, and they need high winds, and that's what they got.
By the time that you go and try to find an extinguisher or a water source, it's already beyond control.
Crews were able to keep these massive flames away from homes over the weekend.
It was a little bit scary with flames coming out of the tops of trees near homes.
And volunteers say they will continue to offer food and aid for as long as the firefighters need it. Dave Malikoff, CBS News, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Dave, thank you. And hearing him crunch that is just crazy. So far, no homes have been damaged. That's some good news. No cause is known just yet for the Covington Drive fire. That is one of the biggest burning as of right now. Well, the governor's disaster declaration putting South Carolina's price gouging law in effect. Now, this bans unfairly high prices on everything from food to gas to lodging and other essentials. If you feel like you're the victim of price gouging, then please follow these steps. Take a look right here at your screen. Write down the time, place, address, and name of the business, plus the price you paid and any nearby prices. All this information is critical. And then send those details and your contact information to the Attorney General on their website. If you want some more details, visit our website. It is WLTX.com.